Hey everyone, Caesar here. I just took delivery of this from the Royal Mint of the UK, so let's open it up and see what it is. Alright, so at the very top there we have the Customs Declaration from the Royal Mint. We'll just get rid of that. Inside, I know what this is. I was super excited to put an order in for this. This is, and it's heavy, this is a bar, a 10-ounce Odin bar from the Royal Mint. I love this. This is a, let's get it out of this. Wow, look at that. This thing is heavy. This is a 10-ounce bar from the Royal Mint and Germania Mint. It's a combo coin that they put together. Look at that. On the reverse of this bar, super clean, Royal Mint, 10 ounces. I love this little dragon weave motif that they have going on. So I think this is part of a new series that they're doing because they have I think their site has one or two more listed. So when I have extra funds, I think I'll be purchasing these. Normally I don't buy bars too often because these are more for just, personal aesthetics and pleasure. They're kind of hard sometimes to liquidate just because, not all locations are willing to purchase these for the amount that we want them to. So they'll probably just pay spot or maybe below spot for this. But this 10 ounce was just about $400, which isn't terrible because the premium on this is just about $60. So for 10 ounces, that's $6 over spot per ounce, which sounds like a lot because it is, but I really, really wanted this bar. So at the very bottom here, it says Odin. On the top in runic script, it says Odin. And then you have Odin with his two ravens. I think Huginn and Muninn. They're the ones who would fly around and spy and then come back and whisper into his ears. And then down here you have Gary and Freki, his two wolves. And he's sitting on his throne, his dragon throne. I love this. This is great. I think it's going to live on my desk for a little while until the new one of the series arrives. And then we'll start a little collection of the two of them together. I love this. This is great. All right. Well, if you guys have one yourselves, let me know. It's quite heavy, this. But I'll catch you guys in the next video.